My name is Jerome H, and in 2018 I was diagnosed with prostate cancer. And the doctors told me that the only way I can get over or get healed from this was to have surgery done, and possibly even after the surgery do radiation, chemo, and um, hormone therapy. And it kind of scared me, and I didn't want to go that route because I'm thinking, well, if I'm doing surgery and I have to do chemo and radiation, well, what's the point of doing the surgery? So I'm thinking that it's just too much. So I just thought there was a better way to go about healing. So I just started researching, and we came across some things online and came across Utopia, and called Dr. Garcia, and the we called several places, and one thing about Dr. Garcia is that he'll talk to you for free. the first initial consultation is free. I mean, that's a good thing. Everybody else charged. I think I got charged like $400 for one
close
place.
To $500.
Yeah.
And we lost that money because it was non-refundable.
Yeah.
And we hadn't even had the consultation yet. We had to pay it and then schedule to go down there.
Right.
Yeah.
And when you have somebody that truly cares, you know, they don't focus
that
so
showed
much
us that he really cared
on the money. You know, he's all about healing and getting people healed. So that kind of sold me on Utopia even before I talked to Mark. Mark was real cool.
Yeah, when he got off the phone talking to Mark, he said, "Man, he is so cool. He's such a kind guy. He is a good guy. This is the place we're going. We're going here."
Yeah, so and when we got here, all the treatments and everything, they pretty much delivered on what, you know.
They kept the word.
What they promised. So the doctor went on the first initial interview. He went through every treatment plan that they have here at Utopia, and it was like, I mean, he was selling himself really, or selling the program, because everything that he told us about, it just sounded like it promoted healing. And so,
and he was honest.
Yeah, and it just it seemed like he cared.
Yeah, that's what really sold us, that he cared.
Yeah. And Dr. Garcia is a good man. Good man. He wants people to get healed.
Yeah.
Yes, that's it. And so we love it here. We came here, experienced it, and the experience was great. Come here, family setting. All the staff is, nurses, attendants, everybody, just so friendly, family oriented, you know. They treat you like family here. Other patients, man, you call you by your name. You know everybody. So, you know, people coming in every week and stuff like that, but, you know, I'm here for 8 weeks, and I've known from 8 weeks to now, I know everybody that came in here. I know their name, first name, because we introduce ourselves like that, and we treat each other like family.
And they welcomed our family.
Yes.
When we brought them here, they treated them like if they belonged.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and that gave us comfort
and
it
encouragement.
Gave us hope. Yeah.
Encouragement. The people that were here before us were leaving healed, and were encouraging us to stick with it and that the plan worked, and it does. I love it here. Well, when we first got here, I was dragging in here, man. I was hurting, man. I was hurting. I wasn't looking too good. My wife and daughter had to do pretty much everything from carrying my bags for me, because I was just hurting so bad.
Yeah.
And
even driving him everywhere.
Yeah, had to drive for me. They had to do everything for me. I was dragging it here. Now, all the treatment and stuff like that, I feel great, man. Ready to go home, see my grandbabies.
I noticed the change in you when I stopped driving you. That's why for a while they didn't see me coming. Because, all our married life, we've been married for, almost 40 years. And he's always did the driving and doing this and doing that. And so it was a great change for me because I had to start doing it all. I had to pack the trunk of the car and lift the heavy things, and all that. And drive him, taxi him around everywhere. But I noticed the change. I knew it was working when you started driving yourself. And that's when I backed off and I started staying at home. And I said, okay, let me let him walk through this part of his healing, because he's getting stronger and he's getting better. And so that was a blessing to me when I saw that.